Want to start your own online business and make over $11,000? Check out these proven tips. Are you interested in delving into the world of selling digital products? In this script, we'll guide you through the process step by step, providing valuable insights and tips to kickstart your digital product business. Let's get started. In recent months, there's been a significant shift towards selling digital products, and the results have been outstanding. Today, we're excited to share a practical example and reveal how you can embark on your own digital product venture. Stay tuned as we address your questions and provide a comprehensive guide. When it comes to digital products, they can be broadly categorized into two types: done with you and done for you. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine you're a personal trainer looking to expand your business by offering valuable resources to your clients. You have two options. First, done with you approach. You decide to create a comprehensive training program that includes weekly live support sessions to answer your clients' questions. This approach involves actively guiding your clients through the process, making it a collaborative effort. Second, done for you approach. On the other hand, you also want to cater to clients who prefer ready-made solutions. In this case, you develop an ebook packed with effective tips and strategies for accelerating fat loss. Clients can access this resource instantly and implement it independently. Regardless of the approach you choose, understanding your target audience, also known as your niche, is paramount. Successful niches often revolve around health, wealth, or relationships, as these are evergreen and in constant demand. Selecting a niche that aligns with your expertise or passion can significantly streamline your journey. For example, let's say you're particularly passionate about the making money online niche. After narrowing it down, you decide to focus on drop shipping, a domain you're well versed in. Your next step is to identify your audience's pain points, a crucial aspect of developing a winning product idea. In response to the challenges faced by newcomers in the dropshipping world, you create the Dropshipping Success Kit. This comprehensive package includes winning product selections, professionally crafted video ads, compelling product descriptions, ad copies, and more. It's a solution that saves time and money for beginners, and you're committed to keeping it updated to provide maximum value. Now, what if you lack the time or experience to create digital products from scratch? That's where private label rights or PLR content comes into play. A prominent platform such as PLR.me offers a wide range of ready-made digital products that you can rebrand and market as your own. This approach allows you to enter the digital product space without the need for extensive product development. You can also use PLR content strategically, such as by offering free ebooks in exchange for email addresses. This helps you build an email list, opening up opportunities to market more products within your niche. Another avenue to explore is finding white label courses on search engines like Google. These pre-packaged courses can be resold under your brand, providing an additional revenue stream. But why opt for digital products over physical ones? Let's highlight three compelling reasons. Number 1. Higher profit margin. Digital products offer a significantly higher profit margin since there are no physical production or shipping costs. You create a digital product once and can sell it indefinitely. Number 2. Instant delivery. Digital products can be delivered instantly to customers upon purchase, leading to satisfied and engaged customers. Number 3. Global reach. Digital products can be sold worldwide, eliminating the logistical challenges often associated with physical products. Now, we'd like to hear from you. Would you be interested in a series where we guide you through the process of building a digital product business step by step? We believe this hands-on approach can be immensely beneficial in achieving success together. Before we wrap up today's video, we'd like to invite you to become a part of our growing community. If you've found this information valuable and you're eager to explore more strategies for making money online, subscribing to our channel is the perfect way to stay updated. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of content, including in-depth guides, insider tips, and real-life success stories. Our mission is to empower you on your journey to financial success, and your subscription allows us to continue creating high-quality videos that addresses your needs and questions. Plus, subscribing not only benefits you by keeping you informed, but also helps our channel thrive. Your support enables us to dedicate more time and resources to research, production, and delivering valuable insights. So if you're ready to take your financial goals to the next level and embark on a journey of financial empowerment, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are committed to achieving financial success. Before we conclude, let's address some of the questions you may have. How long does it take to create a video from start to finish? Video creation timelines can vary, but as a general guideline, it typically takes approximately 5 days. This includes 1 day for brainstorming ideas, 2 days for script writing, and 2 days for editing. If you're keen to explore this topic further, consider checking out our recent video on YouTube. How can one stand out on platforms like Etsy and boost sales? Success on platforms like Etsy hinges on several factors. First, ensure that your product aligns with market demand. Then, consider offering added value compared to your competitors or enhancing the visual appeal of your product. We've covered this topic extensively in our videos on Etsy, so be sure to explore those for in-depth guidance. How can one make money without any initial investment? Making money without any initial investment is possible by securing employment. This approach allows you to generate income without the need for upfront capital. We appreciate your questions and we're eager to address more in future videos. Please share any additional queries you have in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to assisting you on your digital product journey.